This is Jennifer Sparks, and we're going to Atlantic City, and I love it so much. But my favorite part is this, the sign. We are in Atlantic City, and I'm so freaking excited. We're going to be going to Caesars first. I'm going to be here for 10 days, and we're going to have a lot of great videos coming up. It is early October 2023. Caesars has 3 properties in Atlantic City. The other properties are Harrah's and Tropicana. Are you guys ready to see Caesars? I'm going to show you what it was like to check in, what my room was like, and what I did that day. Like every resort in Atlantic City, there's going to be a parking garage. Make sure you take a picture of where you parked. You will save yourself a lot of aggravation later. I had the Caesars app installed on my phone, so it said my room was ready. So I was able to just check right in on the kiosk without having to wait in the line, which rocked. That was great. The room that they assigned me is in the Centurion Tower. It is a panoramic view corner room. I'm very excited. It's not the best practice to invite people you don't know very well into your hotel room, but come on in, I'll give you a tour. Like all my videos, I'm not here to say what's good or bad. I just show you what's up, and then you can decide for yourself whether you think it's a good fit for you or not. The bathroom and the shower is very huge and spacious. I was really surprised. This is really newly remodeled, but it's already showing some wear on the bottom here. The shower area and the sinks were pretty clean though. My biggest ew when I checked in was the toilet, but I believe it was coffee. At first I was like, ew. It was a little surprising, but I didn't totally freak out. I just wiped it up and carried on with my day. Okay, I had to get all the negative stuff out of the way. I really hate doing that, but it's part of my job to let other people know how my experience was. The closet was very large, oversized. The hangers could use a little replacement there. They were in pretty bad shape, but there was hangers, and there was a full-length mirror too. The refrigerator is hidden. It looks like it's a drawer. There's the refrigerator there. It's part of the dresser. The dresser drawers are mechanically sound. It wasn't perfect though. There was a little mess in there, as well as the refrigerator on the bottom. Nothing was gross. It just wasn't perfect. On a positive note, I really like the room. It has a desk that other rooms don't have. It's all updated electric, so you can charge your phones and your cameras. It has a coffee maker, so you have a coffee maker and a refrigerator. This particular room is called a panoramic view. It's a corner room. It is not considered a suite. My favorite thing about the corner rooms is the views. You have more window options because you're on the corner. This particular window overlooked the Bayside casinos. Looking down, you're looking at the top of probably a casino. So we're just going to look outward because the outward view is beautiful. My other window looked out over the Atlantic City beach. Staying in Atlantic City on the boardwalk is an excellent value for beach lovers. Okay, let's go continue our tour. Like I said earlier, Centurion Towers are newly remodeled. Colors are mostly neutral, grays, woods, blues. The bed was a king and it was very comfortable. This is a comp night stay for me for using the Caesars rewards cards and the slot machines in Atlantic City and Las Vegas. So technically I already paid for the room ahead of time. These rooms have wonderful lighting options. That's such a big deal to me. See the lighting on the ceiling? How it goes on and off. The little things. But I personally love the room. It's definitely my favorite tower in Caesars. It feels very luxurious. And it has all the little extras like this sliding glass door. The little extras are everything. Now I'm going to take you briefly into the casino so I can make my donation in the slot machine. That's the only thing about getting comp rooms is that you have to play the slot machines, otherwise your comp room offers are going to stop. I'm visiting here during restaurant week, and I'm going to try Gordon Ramsay's place. He's part of the restaurant week. It's $40. I made a reservation. I was really excited. They said because I'm a party of one, I have to sit at the bar. So I sat there. And I decided, you know what? I don't really want to sit at the bar. I'm paying $40 for dinner. I don't care if it's a good deal or not. I'm going to go check out Super Frisco because they're having the same deal and I've never been there before. The biggest problem I have personally with Caesars is the dining choices. And I know they're adding more stuff and I know it's connected to Wild Wild West and it's close to Bally's. They both have dining options too, but Caesars itself doesn't have a lot of dining options. I could have walked out of Caesars and walked to the boardwalk to get to Super Frisco, but I decided to go through Wild Wild West instead because it's been a couple months since I've been there and I just kind of want to see if anything looks different. Caesars is a good choice in the wintertime. You don't even really have to go outside at all. If it's frigid or if it's snowing, you could walk to Wild Wild West, which goes to Bally's, which goes to Claridge, you know, without even going outside. I will be showing you all that in an upcoming video. Here's a look at Wild Wild West. I really like it. I think it's really fun. It's a little dark, but the ceilings are really high. There's like arcade games. It's just kind of like a concert hall. It's just an interesting concept. So we're walking out the boardwalk. I'm like hoping I could get in. I don't have a reservation. This is the problem with not planning anything. I saw all these places I wanted to go, but I didn't make any commitments to anything. I get over to Super Frisco. It is closed on Tuesdays. Bummer. Where do you guys like to eat when you stay at Caesars? I'm like now walking around thinking, geez, did I go back to Gordon Ramsay? It's restaurant week after all. I feel like I have to take advantage of that offer and make a video about my experience. I just really don't feel like sitting at the bar. I think I'm going to play this slot machine. It's a kiss machine. Oh my gosh, how could I not? I'm going to dump some money in here while I think about what to do for dinner.
Yes.
Casino!
I honestly wasn't doing well. I went through about $80, didn't hit any bonuses, no fun factor at all. I was like, all right, I'm out of here. No food, no bonuses equals no fun. Definitely time to move on. Let's go somewhere else. This is the lobby at Caesars. This is where you're going to find the front desk. This is where you're going to find the Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill. But there's also Taza here, which is, you know, your all day, anything you want to eat. They have sandwiches, all kinds of things. I'm thinking maybe I should just get something there and bring it back to my room. But then I'm like, you know what? Let me give Gordon Ramsay one more try. Maybe they could get me a table. They did offer me a seat at the bar, but I decided to order a sandwich and take it back to my room after all that. Nice bag. All right, let's see how it looks. Looks good. All right. Let's see how it tastes. There's honey on there and it's hot. I like that. And there's coleslaw on it. The sandwich was good. It wasn't great. The fries, I think I was just a little salty because I didn't get to use the restaurant week deal, but better luck next time. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. I hope you enjoyed my day one at Caesars. To see more videos of mine about Atlantic City, please click on one of my playlists. But whatever you do, book that trip, pack your bags and go. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.